Hi guys, so I want to try something that I'm gonna call Trytober. I've never vlogged daily, and with a Vlogtober here, I'm not sure if I can do it, so I'm gonna call it Trytober. So it's 6 o'clock and I'm starting this. I have to head in and start dinner. I'm gonna make some chili and we need some groceries, so I am headed out and about. So I'm just gonna take you guys with me. So let's go make dinner. So I don't know if you guys use beef or turkey. I use turkey in my chili, but turkey cooks kind of oddly. So first I cut it up into little pieces because I really like the health benefits of the ground turkey, but I really do not like how it'll cook in large chunks. So I try to kind of break it up before I even put it in the pan. And then we'll add everything else, especially Worcestershire, because that makes everything taste better. See? No chunks. So I put some Worcestershire in, and I want to show you guys these. These are the Great Value biscuits from Walmart. Now, they're not exactly like KFC, but I think they're a close second. Some of our family members like them, some of them don't. I think they're a good choice to go with chili. And does anyone have one of these? It's what I call Mom's dirty little secret. This is the very seasoned cookie sheet that I use for pretty much everything, and I just wipe it off and hide it in the oven. Dirty little secret. Just like that, dinner is done. So I decided to do kind of like a Southwest chili, so I added some corn and some black beans in there. So we're gonna eat and then go see what kind of trouble we can get into. I'm thinking Dollar Tree and Aldi. So I had dinner, chili was good, and now I'm headed into the Dollar Tree. We're also gonna go into Aldi because I'm down here for groceries. So they still have all the solar stakes and the little ghosts and cat and pumpkins up front. These are all solar and light up. They've got a few of the headbands in Boo that light up. I have a lot of cards for Halloween. Does anyone send cards for Halloween? That one's cute. Of course I saw the candy corn on that one. Oh, that's cute too. So this Dollar Tree tends to hang things really high, and I am really short, but they've got all of the ghosts up there that have the witches' hats and the little witches' feet. They come in orange and purple and green. And then all of the bags, these look kind of holographic. And then a bunch that are that really light canvas. And then some plastic, trick or treat, never too much candy. And these are new, little drawstring backpacks. We've got this one in orange, and then in purple. That one's really, really cute. They still have quite a bit of the sign decor. Lots of tinsel. Oh, they have out the feather boas. I made a DIY tree with that last year. I like this one. It kind of has that vintage look to it. It's not super glittery. And then they've got all of the pumpkin ghouls. So I feel like each year they're gonna put out more and more costume items. And if you just need a little something, you may wanna check in. They have some super cute little reindeers, little tails, and the antlers. They have the devil and the kitty cat, a few masks, the bat headbands, and all kinds of witches' hats. These are super cute, little spider headband. And they have Christmas. So they've got Halloween along one wall, and it just kind of dead stops into Christmas. So they brought back a lot of the usual items, but there's a few new things. They brought back the little snowmen and the red truck ornaments that were so popular. This year they brought out these little wreaths that are glittery with reindeer in them. They also sell the reindeer alone, so two different colors. They brought back the sleds. This one's burlap, and then it comes in a red burlap, and the little snowman with a red hat or a black hat. I also really like just the hats. I bought a few of these last year in black. Comes in plaid. So these were out last year. They're just little ornaments in plaid. I don't think they had the greenery on them last year. They're just cardboard. They come in the Christmas tree, the snowflake, and the reindeer. And there's a better look at the snowman hat in plaid. They also have out the Christmas pickle. I've seen this online for like $13, so save yourself some money. This is definitely something new this year. These are tiny little trailers, a little bit of glitter there, plastic, and they look glass. So cute. You get 2 for $1. You can't beat that. These are great even if you have a little village. So I might be picking up some ornaments tonight. These matte red extra large ornaments are my favorite. I got a bunch of them last year. They have lots of silver and gold as well, but I like the matte red. These are new. So pretty, like an ice blue, and they're two-sided. That's really nice. I'm used to these that just have the rhinestone on the one side. Those are silver and gold, and I think white. Yeah. I've also got a lot of angels with wings, some faux fur, and white and silver. And down here they have the gold. And another new one is this. Now I'm seeing 2 colors, so that is just the one side with the glitter. A very light blue and then a very bright blue. So if you're going to be a police officer for Halloween, you may want to pick up some Dollar Tree handcuffs. They're really inexpensive and super cute. They've got a lot of costumes for boys and girls, a few ninja masks, a couple different colors. This they're calling a dragon mask. It's kind of that foam. Some hero masks, hockey masks, lots of weapons. My kids always liked these. These are really cool. These are little arm plates. Come in blue and green, and they have the matching masks and the chest plate. That'd be a good little costume. They also have the knight breastplates and shields. Those are a lot of fun. They have a lot of stuff for girls as well. A few chef's hats. My other Dollar Tree had the aprons that match in the pink and blue. This reminds me of that minion. Who's the evil minion? That'd be a good little costume. And these are so cute. The unicorn horns. They have a few more horns. And the skirts and the little bumblebee. And in the ladybug. My daughter was a ladybug her first Halloween. The princess skirts. Oh, this is cute. Little mermaid tail. Oh, that's really cute. You just put it around your waist. They also have like a rainbow tutu. That'd be perfect with the unicorn horn. They've got capes for girls. They're calling them winter princess. Cute. And it looks like it comes in purple. They've got all the boas and jewelry, and of course the princess crowns. They've got a pink one back here. Nope. Blue. Down here they have all the princess crowns. That one's so pretty. A few in plastic, in purple and pink, and then they have those dinosaur hats. On the end cap they have the little zebra ears. Those are a lot of fun. That would be an easy costume as well. They have lots of cute socks out. Look, they've got candy corn socks. Oh, those are kids. and the Snuggadoos, a few different characters. And here they have the sloth and the unicorn, the puppy. On this side they have all of the Snuggadoo socks. These are my absolute favorite cozy socks. I have a few pair. Comes in black and pink and blue. Oh, on this side they have that fabric in just the heels and toes on the red and in the black. But there's something about this fabric, I tell you. It's just so cozy. They have a whole aisle full of Christmas craft supplies. So this Dollar Tree looks like maybe they've had it out for a while, so I don't know if they have everything, but all of their tinsel items and door hangers. They have the candy cane metal wreath forms, all of the bells, and the little snow globe kits. They have the pom-poms. I don't think I've ever seen these. These are really tiny. The fake snow, and a few of the ornaments in pairs of 2. Lots of little ornaments and ribbon. They have the glitter cotton drapes and the little felt ornament kits. So last year I was thinking about using 2 of these and sew them together to make a gingerbread pillow. Actually used it to make a outdoor garden flag. I also have the snowman and the Christmas tree. They've got all the DIY stickers, the snowflakes in wood and the golden stars, the Christmas trees. Looks like there's a different one back here. Oh, that one's really cute. Red stockings, candy canes, and mittens. This one with the gifts and the trees and the snowflakes. And the first one, I've got all of the little Trytober stars. So they also have the DIY canvas totes, this one in Santa. They've also got a truck, so cute, let it snow. Oh, a gingerbread house, cute. And lots of DIY ornaments. So the stockings in wood, you get 5 in a pack. They've got the bells and the snowflakes, those are really cute. Christmas trees. So at my other Dollar Tree I had to pop in real quick for some tape, and they had these, the DIY wooden signs, and they had it in a Christmas tree truck. The tree was coming out of the truck. Here they have the ornament and Santa and the snowflake. They have all of the paint your own Christmas ornament sets. This one caught my eye. Super cute little Santa if you're good at painting. That could be a good addition to a tiered tray. They have the Santa suit buckets. My first DIY on my channel was a Christmas tree in one of these buckets. We've got the little baskets in Santa and in green in the elf, and lots of the Christmas trees, but I don't see any in white here today, just in green. So they have some new Airheads bath bombs. This one's strawberry, watermelon, and blue raspberry. These would be good to pick up now for stocking stuffers. Some new Bolero stuff. These are body sprays, vanilla sugar raspberry, and coconut rose milk. It also comes in the shower gel. Now these actually say they're by April Bath and Shower. Similar colors, but these say Bolero. And they have those same scents in the bath bombs by Bolero. These are the 3 minis in a pack. Up here they've got some Bath Treasures bath bombs, 3-pack. That one's vanilla berry and starry sky. So they've got a lot of these little gadgets that are called egglets. Hard-boiled eggs without the shell. Crack, boil, pop. It says there's 4 in here. And it's an As Seen on TV product. I've never heard of that one before. So I'm in the food aisle and I just saw this Entenmann's hot chocolate for the Keurig. You get 3. That's pretty much the only thing new. So now we'll head to Aldi. So we just got our Aldi last year and I had to learn about bringing your quarters so that you can have a basket. So one thing that I really like about Aldi is that they have all kinds of things, not just groceries. And I always try and go to the seasonal aisle first to check out what they're putting out. Up front though, for $14.99, this caught my eye. Reversible sign. This side is thankful in wood and black buffalo. It's got the jute hanger. And this side is Halloween. It's really cute. They've even got some mums out. Some pretty good size. They're burgundy. This one's almost red, not quite orange, and yellow, but I don't see a price anywhere. So they have some wax melts for $1.69. Vanilla bean, fall nights. I really like that one. Warm apple pie and maple pumpkin. That one's all right. And some candles in jars. So they've got pumpkin spice whipped cream, maple pumpkin, crisp weather, and cozy harvest. And they're all $4.99. So I'm gonna take one home. Guess which one? They also have what they're calling an outdoor blanket. It's $16.99. And it's red and black buffalo check, and it's got a handy dandy handle on it. And it also comes in green. Someone must have opened this one up. So it looks like it's probably waterproof on one side. They also have some woven throws for $12.99 that are really nice. I like this one. It's kind of that mustard color. They've got the gray and the blue and white stripe. They also have some pillows for $7.99. This one, Home Sweet Home. Not super lush. They also have this one in gray that is really nice. They also have furniture throws for couches for $24.99 and chairs for $14.99. And these are so cute for $9.99. They're little treat jars, buffalo check, and this one in gray with the bone on top. And those are $9.99. And they have a ton of pet pillows up here. Those are all $12.99. And of course, we've got red and black buffalo check. They have a few lanterns. So these are plastic with the LED. I'm guessing those are left over from summer. I don't see a price anywhere. But for $6.99, they have these beautiful lanterns in the galvanized metal. That's a great price. So around the corner, I found where those black lanterns came from. So they've got them out for fall for $6.99, and they come in 2 versions. They also have a few of these in gold back there, if you can see. And then they've got their bales of straw for $6.99. They have a bunch of dish towels. Those are $3.99, and whole bunch of scarecrows in a few different outfits, boys and girls, and those are $5.99. So that does it for here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. Let me know if you guys are enjoying this little version of Vlogtober I'm calling Trytober.